let's look at factoring with variables. But let's recall what factoring is. Here's a number that's spinning through the air. It could be a 6 or a 9. Looks like it's a 6. Now, what are the factors of 6? 3 times 2. These are two numbers multiplied together that will give you 6. So keep that in mind as we go here. Now, in our last lesson, we talked about the distributive property, where we could take, in this case, 2 and multiply it times each one of the terms inside. We'll get 2x plus 2y. In this lesson, we're going to go the opposite way. Given 2x plus 2y, we're saying that we can pull out a common factor outside the parentheses and get 2 times the quantity x plus y. So let's see how this all works. Now here comes Dirac, and he's pointing at 15. Now that's a key thing there, because we need to pull out a common factor and try to find the greatest common factor in each term. Notice that 15 is 3 times 5. So each term has a 5 in it. So we are allowed to pull out a 5, and we'll get 5 times the quantity x plus 3y as our answer. So that's the sort of thing we're headed for. Ooh, what's this? Looks like something prehistoric to me. He's got something in his mouth. Ooh, he's sort of twisting and bending around there. And here he comes. I think I can make out what he has there. 18x minus 27y. Let's get this guy out of here. Now, look at the 18 and look at the 27. Let's look at some common factors. Now, 18 is 2 times 9, and 27 will give us 3 times 9. So each term has a factor of 9. We'll pull that out, and we'll get 9 times the quantity 2x minus 3y. That's our answer. Now, in our next expression here, negative ab minus 5a. Each term has a negative in it, and each term has an a in it. So we can pull out the negative, and we can pull out an a. And so in the end we get negative a times the quantity b plus 5. So that one's factored. Here we go. We have several things going on in this one. Let's look at all the common factors here. Each term has a negative, each term has a 3, each term has an x, each term has an m. So let's take and pull those out. I'm just doing them one at a time here. So in the end here, we should get a negative 3xm times the quantity 1 plus 2m. So that was quite a thing there. Oh, here comes, looks like a dinosaur, and on the dinosaur is Newton. And I bet you Newton has something for us. Usually shoots out a problem for us. Alright, here we have a decimal. Now that 4.4 is the same as 2 times 2.2. So each term has a 2.2. We can pull that out. 2.2 times the quantity x minus 2y is our factoring. Alright, this one you can readily see there's a negative 2/3 in both of those terms. Make sure that on the right hand side you put a 1 there. So we get negative 2/3 times the quantity y plus 1 as our answer. Sort of a Pac-Man character there. It's an original problem. Now, our last problem here, let's just sort of write out all the factors here and see where we stand and see what we can pull out. Pull out all the common factors. So each term has an 8. Each term has an x. Each term has a y. So let's pull that out and see what we're left with. So we're going to have a 8xy outside the parentheses, and then times 3x plus y. Thank you.